is a person that helped you.
See, to me, this is just more than a content. It is a big, big lesson to learn.
Life lesson.
Because how, people really turn back to, bite the finger that fed them or that is even feeding them currently. And I feel so emotional about this video because this is what has been going on. So my advice to you that is watching is that if you're kind of person, a fake person that always turn back to people that have helped you in any way, desist from it because there is always a repercussion for everything. There's a very big repercussion for everything. And this video is a lesson. Don't help everybody.
Not everybody deserves help.
See that you're wearing the same clothes. It's the same clothes. It doesn't mean that you need to help.
A lot of people actually need strength to hunt you.
Yeah.
I heard a quote that say, cut your grass lower. Because there are green snakes under that green grass.
Yeah.
You are fake friends. You are fake people. Fake people. Not everybody deserves help from everybody.
If you're not moved to help,
Give it. And help from a distance, please. Not everybody is very close to you.
This video.
Actually, they will actually come back to haunt you.
Yeah.
Some people come to your life just to get information, gather you, gain strength, and this is it.
So, but
Regardless, we move.
don't forget that this is
Reflex.